Hello and welcome to Lazy Gardener. Today I'm going to show you how to plant French beans. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them.
I'm sowing my French beans in 4 cells deep containers with a general compost. I'm going to push my general compost really deep into the cell so that when it comes to planting out my beans, it'll be much easier to get them out of the cells. So I'm going to be pushing them down and refilling them with compost until I get a really firm base. I'm going to sow my beans about a knuckle deep. So I'm going to make a hole of a knuckle deep in each one of my cells. I'm sowing 2 beans per hole so that I ensure that I get a good germination rate. Additionally, if both beans sprout, I will be able to plant them out in twos, which they grow really well together. I'm now going to drench the beans with water so that they germinate well. You should always water beans well after sowing due to them needing to rehydrate as well as germinate. Due to the warm weather, these beans will be good to plant out about 4 weeks from today. I always ensure that I label everything that I plant in modules because in a couple of weeks I will forget what I've decided to sow that day. I don't directly sow my beans due to rodents and slugs, so I plant them in these little trays and then I'll plant them out when they're big enough to avoid these pests. Thanks for watching.